Yes, very good evening, children. So, in previous, we have completed activity 5, that is the dispersion of light. Today, I am going to explain about scattering of light. So, in our atmosphere, we have to observe different kinds of situations. That means here, different wonders we have to observe in our atmosphere. Just once you look at the sky, in morning session, afternoon session, and evening session. So it is appears different colors. Why the sky appears different colors? What is the main reason to appears like that? So the entire phenomena, the main role is scattering of light. What is meant by scattering of light? Means here the scattering of light means re-emission of absorbed light of atom in all the direction is called scattering of light. Re-emission of absorbed light in all the directions is called scattering of light. Are understood, children? Re-emission of absorbed light in all the directions is called scattering of light. Let me see that scattering of light. Scattering of light. So here, our atmosphere consists of many of the molecules. So that molecules are atoms. They are comparable to the different kinds of atoms such as nitrogen, oxygen. And different colors of different wavelength of atoms are contains our atmosphere. So they are scattered. Due to the scattering, our sky appears different of colors. Before that, scattering of light we see now here. So here, our atmosphere consists of different kinds of atom. The atoms are act as a center point. So now here the atom is in center point. Here the sunlight, the sunlight is travel towards the atom. Means here the sunlight produces energy. That energy is absorbed the atom, children. Atoms are absorb the energy. Means sunlight. Sunlight is a white light. That means it is the combination of different color, children. The white light contains of different kinds of wavelength of colors. So the inside, it is only the now white light is the white light contains of different wavelength of colors inside. Now the sunlight is passes and the atom is absorb the energy which is produces from the sun. Now the sunlight is travel and this sunlight is strike on the atom. The atom is absorb some amount of energy from the sunlight. From that, some amount of energy is spread into all the directions. So, for example, atom is absorbed little point, that means 50% of energy from the sun. From that, some more amount. From that, some little amount is spread into all the direction. Means here, for example, the atom is absorbed 50% of energy. From that, it is dispersed 30% or 25% in all the directions. That's why re-emission, reproduce, spreading out. So the re-emission of absorbed energy in all the direction of atom is called scattering of light. Re-emission means reproduce. How much the atom is absorbed here, from that some energy is spread into all the direction. It is called scattering of light, children. So see here, the light is travels and it is incident on the atom. Atom absorbs some amount of energy. From that, some amount is spread into all the direction. It is called scattering of light. దీన్నే మనం కాంతి పరిక్షేపణము అని అంటారు. కాంతి పరిక్షేపణము. That means, children, like atom which is present in the center, it is absorbed some amount of energy. From that, little amount is spread into all the direction. It is called scattering of light. Are understood, children? What is the definition of scattering of light? The re-emission of absorbed energy in all the direction of atom is called scattering of light. So atom is in the scattering center. We have to call the atom is scattering centers. What is the work of scattering centers? That the scattering centers are absorb the energy. So from the absorbing energy, little amount is spread into all these directions. It is called scattering of light. Are you understood, children? The re-emission of absorbed energy in all the direction of atom is called scattering of light. Okay, children. So here the sun energy, it is produces some amount of energy. The sunlight is incident on the atom. Now atom absorb the energy. After that, it will re-emit into all the directions some amount. How much energy it will be absorbed from the little amount is spread into all the direction. It is called scattering of light. Due to the scattering, the sun appears different of colors. Okay, children, are you understood, children? So when we have to observe the sky in morning and afternoon session and evening session, make sunrise and sunset time. The sunrise and sunset time, our sky appears different kind of colors. Sometimes sky appears blue in color. Sometimes sky appears white in color. Sometimes sky appears red in color. Why this sky appears different kinds of colors? What is the main reason? What is the cause behind of that? Let me see now. Why the sky appears blue in color? Why the sky appears blue in color? Let me see now. Why the sky appears blue in color? Why the sky appears blue in color? Why the sky appears blue in? Why the sky appears blue in color? Children, it is a wonder phenomena and marvelous phenomenon it is. Because when we observe the sky in morning and sunrise and sunset time, it is appears different of colors. It is appears so beautiful colors appears on the sky. So what is the main reason? That reason is light gets scattered. Due to the scatters, the sky appears different of colors. So in the first one, why the sky appears blue in color? When we observe the sky, sometimes it appears blue in color. Why the sky appears blue in color? What is the reason? Means here, our atmosphere consists of many of the atoms and molecules. In our atmosphere, nitrogen and oxygen molecules are available more. Because in our atmosphere consists of many of the atoms and molecules. These atoms and molecules get scattered different wavelength of colors. But in our atmosphere, the nitrogen and oxygen atoms are available more. These nitrogen and oxygen atoms only scatters the blue color, because the blue color is comparable to the nitrogen and oxygen wavelength. That's why nitrogen and oxygen act as a scattering centers. These scattering centers of these molecules only scatters the blue color. Only scatters the blue color because the blue color wavelength are comparable to the nitrogen and oxygen. Only the nitrogen wavelength, oxygen wavelength, blue color wavelength. Only nitrogen and oxygen receives only the blue color wavelength of light. Due to that, it will spread into all the directions. For example, see this. Now the oxygen and nitrogen act as a scattering centers. Oxygen and nitrogen act as a scattering centers. Nitrogen, oxygen act as a scattering centers. So here, why the sky appears blue in color? Means our atmosphere consists of many of the atoms and molecules. They scatters different wavelength of colors. But in our atmosphere, nitrogen and oxygen molecules are available plenty. These molecules act as a scattering centers and these molecules only scatters the blue color. Only they are comparable to the blue color. The remaining other color it won't accept. So now the light comes from the sun, and in this only the blue color light is observed the scattering center. The remaining colors won't accept it because nitrogen and oxygen, these two act as a scattering center. Which are center of the atom? Which element is center of the atom? This we have to call scattering centers. What is the work of scattering centers? These scattering centers are absorb the sunlight. Which color wavelength is available? That is only absorbed. So nitrogen is only the blue color light is absorbed here. And after observing, that color is spread into all the direction. The remaining color won't accept it. The remaining color do not scatter. Only the blue color scatters. That's why our sky appears blue in color. Are you understood, children? Our sky appears blue in color. So once again, why the sky appears blue in color? Means our atmosphere consists of different kinds of atoms and molecules. These atoms and molecules are scatters different colors of wavelength. Different colors in the atmosphere. But our atmosphere consists of nitrogen and oxygen, plenty of the molecules. These molecules act as a scattering centers. And the sunlight comes from the sun. And the sunlight energy is only the blue color wavelength of light is observed because it is the white light. The white light is combination of all the colors of light. So only the blue color wavelength is observed this nitrogen molecule scattering centers. Only the blue color light is observed. After the observing the blue color of light, so from that some amount is spread into all the direction. The blue color of light is spread into all the direction. It is not a scattering of light, and due to that the sky appears blue in color because nitrogen and oxygen, these two only comparable to the blue color of light. Only they are receives the blue color of light, and their blue color light gets scattered, and from that some amount is spread into all the directions. That's why sky appears blue in color. Are you understood, children? Remaining colors also will be there from the light, sources of light. But the remaining colors do not scatter because the remaining color is not comparable to the nitrogen. The nitrogen and oxygen will not receive the remaining other colors because their wavelength is different. The light color wavelength is, blue color wavelength is very less. Okay, children. So this is the main reason why the sky appears blue in color. And next one is why the sky appears white in color. Why the sky appears white in appears white in color. So the mainly, already I told you, our atmosphere consists of many of the atoms and molecules, and not only that, different wavelength of atoms and molecules will be there. They scatter to different wavelength of colors, and not only that, in a summer season, the temperature is high more, and the water gets evaporate. The evaporate water is spreading to all the directions. Means our atmosphere consists of many of the water vapors. Our atmosphere consists of many of the water vapors. So the water vapors, the water's wavelength is not is comparable to the blue color of light. So means here, if it is that the nitrogen is in scattering center, it will only the scatters blue color of light. The remaining light, when the light is passes through the atom, the remaining colors are get scattered, and all the color, blue color and remaining colors are mixed together. It is appears as a white in color. Are understood, children? The first nitrogen and oxygen, the blue color wavelength is very less. Nitrogen and oxygen scatters only the blue color, and the remaining colors are, all the colors are the red light, yellow, orange. This all the colors are scatters and mixed together. All the colors scatters mixed together to form a white in color. So here, after scattering of blue light, the water molecules act as a scattering centers, and when the light is passes through the water molecule, all the colors are get scattered and spread into all the directions, and then all the colors are mixed together. It is appears white in color. This is the main reason to why the sky is appears white in. Once again, children, our atmosphere consists of many of the molecules and atoms. These molecules or atoms are act as a scattering centers. It is the first point. Okay, children. In a summer, our atmosphere consists of many of the water vapors. When the light rays passes through the water vapor, they get scattered, and after the scattering, all the colors are mixed together to form a white in color. Already we know that nitrogen and oxygen, these two only comparable to the blue color of light. Only the blue color light is spread into all the directions. Okay, for example, because this wavelength is very less, blue color light wavelength is very less. That's why these scatters only the blue color. When the water molecules act as a scattering centers, and the light passes through the water molecule, it will absorb the sunlight energy and gets all they are scatters all the colors. They are mixed, all the colors get scattered. Due to that, what happens, Amma? It is appears white in color. It is appears white in color. So, why the sky appears white in color? In hot summer day, the water gets evaporated. the evaporates water is enter into the atmosphere. Our atmosphere consists of plenty of water droplet. So the water droplet is act as a scattering centers. This water droplet is scatters other than blue because the blue color wavelength is not comparable. The water droplet is scattered other than blue. Blue color kaakunda migta colors anniti scatter chestayi. So the water droplet is scatters other than blue. Then the all colors mix together. All colors, red, yellow, green, orange. These all colors are mixed together to form a white in color. That's why sky appears white in color. Because our atmosphere consists of plenty of the water molecules as the vapors. So these water molecules act as a scattering centers. This scattering center is scatters other than the blue color. The remaining all colors are mixed together to get scattered to form a white in color. That's why the sky appears white in color. Are you understood, children? The sky appears white in color because all the colors are mixed together. When they are reached to our eye, it is appears white in color. So it is the why the sky appears white in color. And next one, last final. So why the sky appears red in color? Why the sky appears red in color? Because red color wavelength is more. Red color wavelength is more than all the colors. So because of here, red color wavelength is more, but the red color wavelength of light is available is very low. They are not comparable to the all the colors because red color wavelength is very more and it is do not scatter fastly. It is, and when the light is passes through the atom and get scattered, and all the colors are get vanished because this wavelength is very more. The red color atoms and molecules are available less in atmosphere because wavelength is more and these atoms and molecules are very less in atmosphere than other colors. So that's why except that the other colors are get scattered fastly and vanished away from our eye. అవి స్కాటర్ అయి మన కళ్ళ ముందు కనిపించకుండా వెళ్ళిపోతాయి అన్నమాట. Red colors are move slowly, moves and get scattered, and after the scatter, the red color is visible to the observer, and that's why the sky appears red in color. Why the sky appears red in color? Because the red color molecules, the red color's wavelength is very more, and they are not comparable. They are not comparable to all the colors. That's all the colors. Because red color wavelength is more and it is available in atmosphere is very less than other colors. So that's why the other colors are scattered and vanished away fastly. Other colors scatters అయిపోతే మనకు కనబడకుండా వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. Finally, the red color is moves slowly and gets scattered and reach to the observer eye. That's why sky appears red in color. Are you understood, children? Red color molecules or atoms are available very less in our atmosphere. Red color wavelength is more and it is moved very slowly than other colors. So the other colors are get scattered very fastly and vanished away. Vanished means it will they get fastly scattered and they will escape from our eyes, disappear from our eyes. And the red color is come slowly and gets scattered and reach to the observer eye finally. That's why the sky appears red in color. And not only that, In morning, sunrise and sunset time, the sun travel a long distance. It is one of the reason. The sun is travel a long distance. Due to that, the remaining other colors are travel less distance and they scattered and vanished away. Red color is come slowly, and they get scattered, and the red color reach to the observer eye. That's why sky is appears red in color. Only that is the main reason, children. In sunrise and sunset time, the sun is traveled a long distance because its wavelength is very more. The remaining other colors wavelength is very less than the red color. The remaining colors are scattered and get vanished away. Red color is come slowly and scattered when they are reached to the observer eye. Then the sky is appears red in color. This is the topic, children. Today's topic is going to be end. Thank you.